Welcome to the Total Knee Prehab 2-minute taster. My name's Nell and you'll shortly meet my colleague Kate who'll be doing the demonstrations. So what's this all about? Well, research shows us that patients who complete structured prehab programs typically experience faster recovery, reduced complications and better long-term outcomes after knee replacement surgery. But every patient is different, so how do you know which areas you should be focusing on in order to get the best possible outcome from your knee replacement? This quick assessment will give you a snapshot of your current knee function before surgery. In just 2 minutes, we'll test your functional capacity, your knee movement, your leg strength, your balance, and your walking ability. And we'll then compare your results with the optimal pre-operative norms and guide you towards the most appropriate prehab solutions for you. We do also have a bigger and more comprehensive testing protocol, but this taster will help you to identify which areas need the most focus as you prepare for your operation. The only kit you'll need is a chair, a clear 3-meter space, and something solid to sit on. If you find it useful, you can also use your own timer, though in the tests where timing is needed, I will talk you through it. Okay, so let's get started. All you need to do is to follow this video. I'm going to talk you through everything. You're going to watch Kate demonstrate each exercise and listen to my instructions. And if the exercise is timed, I will then put a timer on the screen and count you down. I'll then tell you to pause the video while you note your scores into the Score Up questionnaire. And the link to the Score Up questionnaire will be below this video if you're watching on YouTube. At the end, you'll get a personalised report showing you the areas that you need to focus on in order to be optimally ready for surgery. Okay, let's get started with the first test. Let's start with the timed up and go test. So for this test, you'll need a standard chair, a clear 3-meter pathway, and a timer, though I will talk you through it. So let's watch Kate do this test. You'll see that she started seated with her back against the chair, and now she's going to stand up, walk 3 meters at her normal pace, turn around, walk back, and sit down. Time yourself from the moment you start to stand until you're fully seated again. I'll count you in, and then you'll hear me counting out the seconds up to 30 seconds. Most people heading for knee surgery take between 10 and 20 seconds to complete this test. Okay, so sit back in your chair, and here we go. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Well done. Okay, now pause this video while you go to Score App and record your time. Your options are under 10 seconds, 11 to 19 seconds, 20 to 29 seconds, or 30 seconds or more. Next, we're looking at knee extension, so let's check how straight you can get your knee. Let's watch Kate do this test first. You'll see that she's sitting with her leg extended on a firm surface, and she's reaching to see if there's any gap between the back of her knee and the surface she's sitting on, and sliding her hand underneath to feel for a gap. So at home, I want you to see how big the gap is. Can you fit one finger under your knee or more? And that's it. There's no timings on this one, so just pause this video while you test your extension, then go to Score App and record your range. Your choices are fully extended, less than 1 finger gap, 1 to 2 fingers gap, or 2 fingers gap or more. Next up, we've got the 30-second sit to stand test. And again, let's watch Kate do this first. You'll see that she's using a standard height chair, and she's going to start seated with her feet flat on the floor. And on go, she's going to stand fully upright, then sit back down under control, and then she's going to repeat that for 30 seconds. Now your job is to count how many complete stands you can do. Try not to use your hands if possible, but make a note if you need to. This test tells us about your leg strength and your endurance, which are crucial for your recovery. Okay, it's your turn, so it's time to sit in your chair, and next I'm going to count down 30 seconds while you count how many complete stands you can do. Okay, sitting in your chair, ready, steady, go. That's 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, and 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Great. That's 30 seconds. Well done. Now pause this video while you go to Score app and record how many complete stands you managed. Your choices are 12 or more, 9 to 11, 6 to 10, or under 5. Moving on, it's time to test your balance. Let's watch Kate do it first. She's going to stand with her feet together. When she feels steady in this position, she's closing her eyes, and then she's going to time how long she can hold the position. While you're doing this, stay near support for safety and open your eyes immediately if you feel unsteady. Okay, I'm going to count you in, and then you'll hear me counting out the seconds up to 30 seconds. See how long you can hold it before you have to step out of position or open your eyes. Okay, get yourself into position now, standing up with your feet together, then ready, steady, shut your eyes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. If you haven't already, it's time to relax and open your eyes. Well done. Now pause this video while you go to Score app and record your time. Your choices are 30 seconds or more, 16 to 30 seconds, 6 to 15 seconds, or 5 seconds or less. Finally, let's consider your walking distance. We're done with the physical tests now. This one is an estimate based on your knowledge of your knee, and it gives us important information about how your knee is affecting your daily life. This is the last question, and after you've answered this on Score app, it will ask you for your age category, and then you'll get your personalised feedback. Go straight to Score app for this one, there's no video, and congratulations on completing the Total Knee Prehab 2-minute taster.